how to view sensitive content on Twitter. Watch this video till the end. To begin with, open the Twitter app on your mobile device. Next, click on your profile icon located at the top left corner to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings and Support to reveal more options. After that, tap Settings and Privacy. Now choose Privacy and Safety from the list of settings. Under this section, click on Content You See to manage what appears in your feed. Then select Sensitive Media. Here you will notice categories such as graphic violence, adult content, and other. Finally, open each category one by one and select Show All option. Now repeat this step. This action ensures that all types of sensitive media become visible. With this few steps, you now know how to view sensitive content on Twitter.